This house does not begin with the facade, it begins with the courtyard, and that changes everything. This is the Weave House, designed by the Ranch Mine in a historic neighborhood in Phoenix, Arizona. It sits on a site that was once used as a parking lot. In other words, there was no perfect landscape there, no isolated lot in the desert. It was an urban place, with close neighbors, a street, heat, and little privacy. So the design makes a clear choice. Instead of opening everything outward, the house creates its own exterior. It is organized around courtyards, one more connected to the street, another more private. And this is what gives the house its name, weave, like a woven fabric, because the project stitches several things together at the same time: interior and exterior, street and privacy, tradition and contemporary life. The heart of the house is a private courtyard hidden from the street, organized within a U-shaped plan. This is the space the house truly opens toward. The social area connects directly with this courtyard. Living room, kitchen, dining area, everything works together, and large folding doors allow the space to open outward. When this happens, the courtyard is no longer just exterior, it becomes part of the house. The internal organization is also very precise. The kitchen anchors the large social area with white oak millwork, marble countertops, and a custom metal range hood. Nothing there tries to draw more attention than the space itself. Right at the front, the house does not completely close itself off. There is a transitional courtyard with desert vegetation, stucco walls, and metal elements. This space softens the arrival. It is not entirely public, but it is not entirely private either. It's an intermediate layer between the street and the house. The entrance also follows this logic. It is set back, more protected, and it uses references of the architecture of the American Southwest, such as exposed beams, wood elements, and side benches, not as decoration, but as a way to create shade, shelter, and pause. The house also references the paintings of Georgia O'Keeffe, not by copying a specific work, but by using a similar atmosphere: warm colors, strong shadows, courtyards, open sky, and a direct relationship with the desert. The reference does not appear as decoration, it appears in the mood of the house. Another important point is light. The house does not illuminate everything directly. It works with shade, setbacks, operable openings, and diffused light. The operable windows help air circulate and make the house more comfortable, even on an urban lot with nearby buildings. In the intimate spaces, the relationship with the exterior continues, but in a more controlled way. The main bathroom, for example, combines marble, wood, and a copper bathtub, and it can open outward through a pivot door, transforming a private space into an almost outdoor experience without losing control. In the social area, a large overhang allows light to enter more softly without exposing the house too much to the neighbors. Fire also appears in this courtyard, an outdoor fireplace clad in steel, allowing the space to be used even on cold desert nights. In other words, the courtyard works in two extremes. It helps cool the space during the day and creates warmth when the temperature drops. The courtyard is not just landscaping either. It helps with the climate. Instead of a traditional fountain, there is a pool. It increases the humidity in the air and creates a more comfortable microclimate within this shaded space. This matters in Arizona because the house needs to deal with intense heat, but without relying only on air conditioning. Weave is a simple house to understand. It does not try to open itself to everything. It chooses what to open and where to open. Instead of depending on a grand external view, it creates an inner world with courtyards, shade, water, air, and controlled light. A house that weaves the urban with the desert and shows that even on an ordinary lot, architecture can create its own place.